All right, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 5, and this is where we get to start really having some fun with the code. It says secret messages. This app has a secret message written in white text on the screen. We can use the toggle switch to interact with the screen and change the background to reveal the secret message. Do this. When the switch is flipped to close, change the background color to black. Create a new board event to detect when the toggle switch is closed. Use a set property block to change the background color to black. When the switch is flipped to open, change the background color to white. Create a new board event to detect when the toggle switch is open. Use a set property block to change the background color to white. Run your code. Flipping the toggle switch should reveal the secret message. All right, so we have our toolbox, we have our UI controls, and we have our circuit controls. So the set property is not the first thing we need to do. So we need to come over here and we need to start with our onboard event, which we're going to put on line 2. And we're going to be using the toggle switch for this and close. So we need to change it to close. And then we need to come over to UI controls and we need to set the property here. So we're going to set the screen. Are we going to set the screen? Hold on. Yeah, we're going to set the screen, background color, and then instead of red, we're going to set it to black. All right. And then if that worked correctly and we press run, then when I play with the circuit board and I toggle it, there we go. Hey, the password is sushi. All right. However, if I keep toggling it, it doesn't change back and we need it to change back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to circuit and I'm going to do another onboard event. So now we have our toggle switch again. And instead of close, this one is going to say open. All right. We're going to go back to UI controls and we're going to set the property from ID to screen 1, background color, and this time we're going to say white. All right. So we're going to reset it and we're going to run it. And if it worked, then when I play with the toggle switch, going back and forth, all right, so that set it to black. Excellent. And then when I do it again, it's set. All right, there we go. All right, that's what we need right there. So if that worked the way for you, that it worked for me, we're good to go. We're going to click the finish button and I will see you on level 6. Here we go.